Hi, I'm Bryan Roach with East Coast Yacht Sales, and today we're on a boat that we're super excited about. This is a 2015 Coastal Craft 45. It's got Volvo D6 435 horsepower engines with IPS 600 drives, and it cruises at 25 knots. It's got a ton of interior volume. It's got an awesome layout for owners and guests, and it's a super fun boat. We're really excited to show you guys. All right, starting out here in the Salon, look at the helm station. Inside helm station, we've got a Garmin display, Garmin VHF radio, and we do have an E-Plex system here. So this controls all the ship systems, electrical demands, water tanks, fuel tanks. Everything's controlled from this central system. Switch panel. We've got Volvo controls over here, joystick. Volvo DPS was installed by the current owner. Makes the boat super easy to drive, tons of control at the helm. Really great visibility, and great visibility for the mate. And then also really good visibility here for the guests too. The seating area is slightly raised, so when underway you've got, seating for probably 8 adults here, and with plenty of good visibility. Off the starboard here, galley, 3-burner propane stove. We've got a Panasonic convection microwave oven, NovaCool fridge and freezer, twin bay stainless steel sink. Tons of storage here. Storage also underneath the dining table here. Tons of great light in here. Also shades, pull down shades here for at night or for privacy on the dock. Master cabin is forward here. We've got 3 steps down. We have a split head here, off to starboard, commode, stainless steel sink. And then off to port, we have a large stall shower, separate stall shower. And then a queen walk around forward. Great light and ventilation above. Hatches, reading lights. Lots of great storage here. Hanging closets. Hanging lockers off the port, temperature controls, lighting controls. We also have a Samsung TV. Coming back up in the salon space, another good look at that seating. Great dining area, great area for underway. I do have a day head, starboard aft, single toilet, stainless steel sink. Privacy shades. And then we're going down in the guest cabin. 2 twin beds. Nice and clean, good storage above. And Splendid washer dryer. We do have 2 mechanical spaces here on the interior of the boat. One accessed through here. In the listing you'll find additional photos here, but we have a generator down here. We have a water maker down here, raw water inlets for genset and water maker, air conditioning pump, tons of space, great access. Some controls under here. Northern Lights generator on and off switch. We've got the control for the inverter charger here, on and off pump for the US water maker. Got a Xantrex Fireboy propane system, Victron Serbo control for the AC and DC power system. And the owners did update the lithium this year. There's 900 amp hours of lithium, additional solar power. So the boat is really well set up for off-grid cruising. Fusion control system for the stereo. And we'll go aft and look at this last machinery space. Some AC and DC breaker boxes here. We do have access to the fuel panels down here as well. So are the fuel valves. And then the last machinery space is where the main engines are housed, and that's on the aft deck. These pod drives, the engines are towards the aft end of the boat, which is really nice for sound. All right, we're up here on the Flybridge. We've got a steelhead marine crane, lift up the AB dinghy. We'll go with the boat. Yamaha 4-stroke engine. Got a great arch, tons of great gear here. Garmin radar, searchlight, Starlink, horns, VHF antenna. And there's just a ton of space here. We could fit 2, 3, 4, 5 adults here, another 2 adults there. And these captain's chairs all swivel around here. Great visibility from up here. Garmin MFD, Volvo joystick, Volvo controls, Garmin VHF. Aft, and just tons of volume up here. Great breeze. There is a bimini piece that connects here. Goes from the top of this and connects over to the arch there for good sun protection here. And then great hip height, stainless steel railings going down into the aft cockpit here. All right, taking a look at the exterior of the boat. Marine grade aluminum hull. Really clean looking boat. Propane grill out here on the swim deck. All the paint on board looks really clean. It was just touched up. Nice wide side decks here. Hip height, stainless steel handholds. Walking forward here. Delta anchor, stainless steel windlass. Big opening ports for the forward cabin. Really comfortable and safe walking here. Both underway and dockside. Really clean isinglass. The aft deck. If you have any other questions about the boat, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact info is below.